Beloved friends of light, welcome by our YouTube channel Universal Prayers. Welcome by Universal Ministry of Divine Love. I am Reverend Maria Piotrovskaja, and I greet you here on this beautiful path of universal love. Thank you very much for being here. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for your magnificent comments. Thank you for sharing my videos and sharing your love with me and with this world. I greet all of you, my blessed friends of light, the old friends and the new ones. I greet my new blessed hearts who just found my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you for arriving to this beautiful place of unconditional love. Beloved hearts, this video is all about love. In this video, I would like to give a special blessing for a reconciliation of your soul with your beloved. If you have a partner, if you had a partner, if you was in love with someone who is very dear to your heart, but you have some disagreement at this moment, and you really love to have the second chance, if you really want to restore the love ties, this video will bring this miracle in your love life. Keep watching. Blessed friend of light, I welcome you to place your hands upon your chest right now. Go deep within. Go into your heart. Connect with your soul. Connect with your own real self. Radiate the magnificent waves of love from your heart all around you now. Expand the rays of love from your warm and loving heart. See for your inner eye this person which is so dear unto you. And the name of the light of Yahweh, in His presence, in the name of His sweet and holy name, I am that I am. I, Reverend Maria Piotrovskaja, through the presence of the living Christ within me, through the mantle of the Christ of blessed Yahushua, which is upon my shoulders right now, I call for the removal of any disagreement, of any miscommunication and misunderstanding between these two beautiful souls of light. I ask now for the removal of any negative karma which has created this misunderstanding. I call upon the angels of the light, blessed archangels. I call to the great karmic void to give a dispensation for setting aside for a while this portion of negative karma which stands between these two blessed souls of light. Please set it aside, blessed beings of karma. Please remove it for a moment. Create a free space where I invite the living Christ to enter in. My blessed friend, imagine your beloved standing right before you. Imagine also this beautiful light presence of the living Christ descending from heaven right between you. What you see is the face of the living Christ with some characteristics of your beloved. See the presence of the Christ within your beloved one. And also you are the manifestation of the Christ for your beloved. May the fullness of the Christ potential within you and within your loved one be activated right now. May the love, the purest Christ love, just flow between you and restore the loving ties, heart to heart. Imagine this beautiful figure 8 flowing between you and your loved one. Imagine this beautiful figure 8 connecting your heart chakra to the heart chakra of your beloved. May this endless movement of love go back and forth, nourishing your beloved as a mighty flow of love from your heart. And receive back onto yourself this beautiful return of the wave of love from the heart of your loved one. Just imagine right now that you hold the both hands of your beloved. Look deeply into the eyes of the special person. Just take a moment to silently go deep into the being of this blessed person. Through their eyes, you really connect to the very core of the soul of your most precious one. Feel this beautiful tie that connects both of your souls right now. Feel the deeper recognition that you were connected from the past lives many times again and again. Feel the reunion of hearts. Feel the same purpose, the same mission you are going for together. Feel that there is a plan for both of you. Trust in the divine guidance. Trust in the divine will that will bring you and your beloved to this right place where you both need to be. I evoke the blessings from heaven for the purification of the space between these two beautiful hearts. I ask now for the final removal of all painful experiences and painful memories from the past, based on some difficult issues in this life or some difficult issues from the past lives. May the sadness turn into joy, into the joy of reconnection and reconciliation. Open your heart and feel the heart of your beloved so open for you right now. Say some words of forgiveness deeply from your heart. Forgive yourself, forgive your beloved one, and ask for forgiveness. Receive forgiveness of the law. And see how the beautiful angels of light just opened a new page in a book of life, where this significant connection can be written again in the new words, in the new feelings, in the new situation. Give it a chance, give it a second chance to become one again without this heavy weight of energies from the past. Everything is like new right now. Feel it deep in your heart. You are forgiven and you have forgiven. And yourself and your beloved one. This is a new start. This is a new beginning. And I ask Blessed Mother Mary to bless your and your beloved right now. May her blessed love consecrate this beautiful heart connection to the heart of the Almighty One, who knows every need. May the divine law of love come into fulfillment through this reconciliation and forgiveness at all levels. Feel the deepest freedom within, the light that you radiate so strongly right now through this whole world. All is well, my dear heart. All is well. Truly, all is well in Yahweh's kingdom.